Welcome to Eat Well. Today I'd like to share with how to make vegetable pancake. Let's chop all the veggies. I will mince 2 garlics for pancake and 1 garlic just to make sliced for dipping sauce. Today I'm using a white flour, but I usually use a whole wheat flour with cornstarch, and the cornstarch makes more crispy texture. Put 1½ tablespoons of soy sauce, minced garlic, and 3/4 cup of water. And mix it. Put oil on non-stick frying pan over medium-high heat. Before put the batter, put some green onion. This makes really good taste. And place and spread out the veggie batter. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until the edge of the pancake gets crispy. Flip and cook for another 3 minutes. For the dipping sauce, put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/4 tablespoon of vinegar, and sliced garlic. Let's freeze the leftover and cook another day again. Thanks for watching my channel today.